Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Divyansh. Okay, let everyone come.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Purvi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vyom.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. After many days, you people are attending class, right, Avantika and Vyom?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because in last class my health was not very nice.
Morning,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I have to go for a treatment for
Morning.
some days. Bye.
Okay. Good morning, Avantika. Good
Ma'am,
morning.
I have not attended last two classes.
This is what I was wondering. Where is Vyom?
Ma'am, because my health was not fine
Okay.
from 2-3 days.
Okay, fine. Health issues were there. Okay, right. Can we have cameras open for everyone? Can we have cameras open? Good morning, Kinjal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Harushi. Good morning. This was
Good
Arushika.
morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, today we will continue with flowcharts only.
Beta, you tell me. Actually, this is history period. Let us utilize it for the second chapter of history because in the other two sections I have already started with it, and we are on half the way of it. So,
Ma'am, which chapter?
history chapter 2.
Good morning.
Ma'am, forest and colony.
No, the second chapter tells you about this. What do you call? Rise of socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Okay.
And ma'am, now the term-wise syllabus is being launched.
Term-wise syllabus has been declared by the CBSE. So in that, to our, what do you call, disappointment, chapter 4 is not included in any of the terms. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are not going to do that chapter 4. Right? Beta, please, cameras on, children.
Ma'am, in
Ma'am,
UD,
Yes.
ma'am, in UD 2, chapter 2 will come, right?
completed the fourth chapter half in the notebook.
Okay, fine, Anshika. Yes. What did you say?
I also started the question answer of chapter number 4.
Thank God. Actually, many of the students, some of them they have done only the flowcharts, and some of them they have done 2-3 questions. So it is good. Adoki, good morning.
So ma'am, now we don't have to complete that chapter now.
Now you don't have to complete that chapter. Whatever you have done, only that much. Let it be there in the.
Okay, ma'am.
Do not tear the
Ma'am,
pages. Do not cut them. Right?
Ma'am, which chapter?
Chapter.
And this
4.
is for history.
This is for history, beta. Yes. This is for history. Rest all the syllabus is the same. There is no change. Like the way we are going.
Ma'am, chapter 4 will not come.
Chapter 4 in history is not part of your syllabus. Now it is not going to come in any of the terms, beta. Neither first term nor second term. Such a easy chapter. Know what to do.
Ma'am, it is not the part of the book.
It is not part of the
But we have.
Ma'am,
But we have done
finished that chapter
I
whole.
I know, beta, what to do. I know. Earlier it was there. It was said that whichever chapters were deleted in the previous session, they all will be part of the syllabus. But then now when the term 1 and 2 syllabus has come, they have, deleted this chapter. They have not included this chapter in it.
Ma'am, I have two doubts related to the this question. Ma'am, first of all, ma'am, like our two terms are conducted.
Right.
Ma'am, term 1 and term 2.
Right.
So, ma'am, half yearlies will also be conducted. Yeah, ma'am.
Beta, that the school, most probably the principal sir will decide that whether the exams are to be conducted or not.
And ma'am, that
Term 1 and half yearly are not same.
Beta, actually, as per the new guidelines that have been received, it says,
Ma'am, it says that
beta,
three periodic tests and
bacha, ek minute. Do we have any Devansh Verma in the class? Okay.
Ma'am, it must be Atharvarma.
नहीं ठीक है. He's a another child of another class. Actually, the thing is, many of the students don't know that we are not following the regular timetable for today. It is
Yes,
third
ma'am.
and fourth period. We have Devansh. Are you there, beta? Devansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, actually, this is not the second lecture. This is the fourth lecture that is going on. Your first lecture will start at 9:05 and then followed by second and the remaining classes, right? So you can leave and join at 9:45 for the second period, right, Bicha?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, बेटा. चलिए बेटा देखो ऐसा है.
Ma'am,
Yes, बेटा.
ma'am, it was given that term 1 will be MCQ for class 10. Will it be also for class 9 that it will be MCQ?
Beta, your all the queries could be answered only, like I can answer once I have a word with principal sir, because even sir is, like everyone is trying to find out the strategies, what exactly we need to do. So about this, I think I'll be able to tell you after this week, because we'll be having a meeting for 9-10 teachers, and after that only we'll be able to decide, right?
Ma'am, I have read that.
It is actually, see, every school has their own way of doing it, though CBSE gives the guidelines, but then they say that as per your jurisdiction, whatever you feel, there are certain guidelines that are to be strictly followed, and there are certain which they give a free hand to the school to follow, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it was mentioned that
Ma'am?
3 periodic tests and 2 terms.
Yes, UTs we will be having, and the terms that we will be having, like for class 10th, as it is said, November, December. So most probably for you people also, it will be November, December, right?
And
Ma'am,
all
also-
this duty
And
that
when the
happened, it
terms
will be the
ma'am, will be offline only.
Beta, we'll have it offline. We'll try to have it offline only. Just give me a minute.
Yes,
Give me a minute and get your history books, all of you.
Ma'am, I already have.
Ma'am, otherwise cases are made that if it be online or offline.
Ma'am, but till November, I think that ma'am, vaccine for ma'am teenagers will also come.
Ji beta.
Ma'am, I have some queries in the chapter of forestry, ma'am.
अब उसको छोड़ दो, अब भूल जाओ. That chapter is not part of your syllabus. Leave it. Okay?
Ma'am, ma'am, there is one question left, ma'am. Ma'am, fourth question. Ma'am, I have to know what is the answer.
अच्छा, means but it is not part of your syllabus now, बेटा. दक्ष, आप unnecessary अपना time waste करोगे उसका आंसर जान के. वो आपके कोर्स में नहीं है, मतलब no question answers to be asked. Nothing will come from that chapter.
So,
Right?
ma'am, it is necessary to complete that chapter question
No,
answers
it is
and all.
not. It is not. That is what I said. No, whatever you have done till now, let it be like that only. Don't tear the pages. Don't cut the work. Let it be there. I'll check when I'll get the notebooks, but do not
Okay.
complete it. Whatever you have done, stop there. Okay?
Okay.
Fine.
Ma'am, yesterday I wasted my whole day in doing that chapter.
Oh God. So sorry, bacha.
Ma'am, me too.
What to do? So sorry. Chalo. Okay. We'll start with the new chapter of history, that is socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. How many of you know what is socialism? Do you know what is
Ma'am, you have
socialism?
to raise the hand.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please tell the page number?
बेटा अभी पेज नंबर खोला ही नहीं है हमने. हम तो केवल आपसे एक सवाल कर रहे हैं कि डू यू नो व्हाट इज सोशलिज्म? Beta, page number is
25.
Ma'am,
page is 25. Yes. But it is not given over here. I am simply asking you, do you know what is socialism? Class? Mika, do you know what is socialism?
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, that all people should be equal, whether they are rich or poor, and money should be divided equally among them.
Yes. Very good.
No, ma'am.
Very good. What else? Yes. Yes. Yes.
ma'am, all the citizens of country are equal before law, and they all should be treated equally.
They all should be treated equally. Okay.
Social equality.
Ma'am,
and there should be
resources
no
should be given to,
discrimination.
Huh. Resources one by one, one by one. Yes, Anoki, you said something?
ma'am,
Ma'am, I was saying social equality and there should be no discrimination.
Yes. Taran, what did you say?
ma'am, it signifies that resources should be given to those who really need it.
Okay. What did Utkarsh said?
Ma'am, I said that socialism is the practice in which ma'am, ma'am, the
Wait, beta, wait. Ahana. हाँ, उत्कर्ष बताओ बच्चे जल्दी बताओ.
ma'am, I forgot what I said. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the people of the country should be treated equally, and ma'am, ma'am, they all are equal before law. Ma'am, I said this.
Okay. Okay. So what Adoki has said and what Taran has said, they are very close to the definition of socialism, and I think Mihika also. See the.
Ma'am, can I also tell?
Yes, Parush, बताइए बेटा.
Ma'am, socialism is a type of power in which, ma'am, the peoples own the production of the country.
People what? People what?
Ma'am, peoples own the production of the country.
Where the people own the production of the country. Okay. Fine. Can Ahana tell now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's a political idea where people believe that there should be equality amongst all the people on the basis that are specified.
Right. Very good. See, just now Taran has messaged that it was a practice, it was a system, it was an ideology which was actually initiated by Karl Marx. Do you know who was Karl Marx?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
he started Marxism in Europe.
He started Marxism in Europe. And this ideology that he started, we are following it in India also. Do you know?
A Communist Party of India, Marxist.
Yes, very good. The Lenin, Karl Marx, all these people, they believed that a country can grow, a country can develop only if the people, those who are into production, they are given equal share. And if not equal share, but then there should be some percentage given to these people so that they don't become disappointed and they work hard for the growth of the country. Right? Now, this ideology that was there, it it spread like a forest fire throughout the world. And if we talk about the Russian Revolution was a revolution which is considered to be a landmark in history, where whatever was practiced in Russia, that had affected all over the countries all over the world. Like when we talk of French Revolution, we say that French Revolution is a landmark in history, in the sense that all the European countries which were there, they took inspiration from it and they tried to become nation states, right? But there were many countries which were already nation states, so what they took from this French Revolution, they took the ideas of the fundamental rights, the idea of equality, the freedom, the liberty part, all these things French Revolution gave to the world, right? But most of the influence of French Revolution was in the European continent. But when we talk of the Russian Revolution, this Russian Revolution, it influenced all the countries of the world. Globally, there was an impact of the Russian Revolution, and whatever changes were brought, under the socialist system, that had actually, influenced people throughout the world. That is why when we talk of the revolutions, we always talk about the French and the Russian Revolution, right? Right, class?
Ma'am, also World War.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, World War was.
Yes, ma'am.
World War was a different reason, beta. There was a different reason for the World War. Anybody who knows why the first World War was fought? Anybody in the class? What were the basic reasons for the World War to be, to take place?
Ma'am, because the countries wanted many regions under them.
Because the country wanted many other countries under them. Which countries we are talking about, particularly Saksham over here?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Germany
like,
and Austria.
ma'am,
Yes, Anuki, very good. Germany and?
Ma'am, Austria. Ma'am, I think that somebody from Austria was assassinated. I think some Dutch from
Duke,
there. So
Duke,
that's why this was
Ma'am,
started.
one region is
Duke
was
and the
not
Duke.
the
Ma'am,
European.
Archduke
Sorry, ma'am.
French
Duke, yes.
Ferdinand. Archduke French Ferdinand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
See, the basic reason behind the First World War is that, just now I told you about French Revolution throughout the Europe. Though all these things you are going to read in class 10th again, but still just a gist I am telling you so that, you can understand what we are going to read in this chapter, right? See, when after the French Revolution throughout the Europe, there was a wave which, affected all the countries. Everybody wanted, every country, every nation wanted to be part of the nation state. They wanted that whatever, because see, we all know that during the old times, if we talk about the 17th, 18th century, we all know throughout Europe, many of the countries which were there, most of the countries which were there, they were ruled by the monarchs. Kings were there, kingdoms were there. They were taking care of the countries, right? And all the countries were not a single segment. They were all fragmented. They were divided. They were cut into parts, and different parts were governed by different rulers, right? This much is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now what happened? When France became a republic, people were very much influenced by this. They were so amazed to see that how people fought for their rights, and how the monarchy came to an end over there, and how people they got the rights, several rights which were denied to many of the people in a kingdom or in a region where the rulers were ruling over them. They took it as a what do you call, inspiration. They are now, everywhere people were talking about the French Revolution, the ideas, the identities that people relate to the revolution, to the nation, and how people were so what do you call, they were so affected by the call that were given by the philosophers. French Revolution we have read, there were many people who wanted that people should fight for their rights. There should be governance should be there in hands of different organs of the government, right? All these things we have read. So when during this time, what happened, many other countries, especially Germany, Italy, these countries which were there, they were fragmented states. There were 7 different rulers who were ruling over Italy, and Germany was also divided into 33 federations, confederations which were there. Now, keeping this in mind, many of the people, they started fighting for the unification of the countries, especially Germany and Italy. There are many other countries, but then Germany and Italy, we have a special reference, right? Now, when these countries, they fought for their rights, they became independent. Now, taking example, getting influenced by these people plus French Revolution, almost all the countries which were there in Europe, they started fighting for their rights. Now, you have heard of Turkey, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Turkey was in in 16th 17th century, it was known as the Ottoman Empire, right? Now this Ottoman Empire was so strong, it was so influential, so the people, the rulers, those who were part of this Ottoman Empire, they were very strong rulers, very courageous, and they had captured most parts of the European nations. One such part was the Balkan states. Now these Balkan states which were there, it comprises of several small countries which were there: Greece, Croatia, then we have Herzegovina, then we have there was approximately 12-13 countries which were part of this Ottoman Empire, Balkan states. Now when Ottoman, when we talk of the Mughal rulers, the early Mughal rulers were quite strong. They were very courageous. They were very brave rulers, and they kept on conquering territories. But the later Mughal rulers who came during the 18th century, they were not as strong as the early rulers. But same condition was with the Ottoman
Ma'am,
Empire.
but Aurangzeb was, ma'am.
हम औरंगजेब की बात कर रहे हैं. जब फारूक कैसियर और ये सब आए थे, ये लोग तब आए जब औरंगजेब जब नहीं रहे मुगल एम्पायर में. तो आपने देखा होगा कि औरंगजेब की डेथ के साथ ही जो है पूरा का पूरा मुगल एम्पायर जो है वो डिसइंटीग्रेट हो गया. जितने भी सामंत वगैरह थे, या जो भी आपके जो इक्तादार वगैरह थे, ठीक है, ये हमने सिस्टम पढ़ा है ना, मनसबदारी सिस्टम, इक्तादार सिस्टम. तो इन सिस्टम्स के अंदर जो भी, हाँ, इन सिस्टम के अंदर जो भी रूलर्स थे या जो भी केयर टेकर्स थे, they declared themselves as independent rulers of their own territories that were ruled by, that they were taking care of. So Balkan states में भी Ottoman Empire के rulers, जो later rulers थे, they were not very strong. और फिर ये जो continuous ये इतना ज़्यादा जो है rebellious, people were becoming to free themselves from the kings or the rulers. तो इसकी वजह से भी जो later rulers थे, they left their control over these countries which were there. Now slowly these countries, they were very small in size. मतलब हमारा गोवा फिर भी बहुत बड़ा है, but these countries which were there, they were so small in size कि अगर वो अपनी territory से confined रहते तो they would have never faced any problem. But इन लोगों के अंदर क्या था, इन्हें लगा कि भाई हमारा जो past था that was very strong, हमारे जो ruler, हमारे जो ancestors थे, they were very strong, so let us expand our territories. अब वो expansion के चक्कर में क्या हुआ कि they started fighting with each other, and this fighting that was taking place between these people, what happened ultimately, the big powers which were there in Europe, especially not exactly Mahanagar, but they were not like Goa is considered to be one of the smallest states, right? But then they were even smaller than Goa, right?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, like Bareilly.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मतलब अब हम ऐसे कंपेयर साइज में अगर आप देखो, इफ आई टेल यू, इफ आई शो यू द वर्ल्ड मैप, उसमें टाइम लग जाएगा. वर्ल्ड मैप पे जो आप,
मैम, लाइक अ सिटी.
हाँ, मतलब बहुत ही छोटे. महानगर तो फिर भी बड़ा हो जाएगा, ठीक है. बहुत ही छोटे एरियाज थे इन कंट्रीज के, ठीक है. अब ये जो कंट्रीज थे, इनकी जो ज्योग्राफिकल लोकेशन थी, दैट वाज वेरी आइडियल. बहुत ही आइडियल लोकेशंस पे थे ये लोग, तभी ऑटोमन एम्पायर ने इनको इतने साल कंट्रोल करके रखा, ठीक है. और अल्टीमेटली जब दे वर नॉट इन अ कैपेसिटी टू होल्ड देम फॉर लॉन्ग, तो इन्होंने उनको रिलीज कर दिया, ठीक है, अपने कंट्रोल से. अब क्या हुआ, जो यूरोपियन पावर्स थी उस टाइम की, रशिया हुआ, ऑस्ट्रिया हुआ, जर्मनी हुआ, आपका ब्रिटेन हुआ, ठीक है. तो ये जो कंट्रीज थी, दे गॉट अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड, हाँ, इटली भी. नाउ दीज, उस टाइम पे इटली इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं था बेटा, जिस टाइम पे फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर हुआ था ना. दो इट वाज पार्ट ऑफ, हाँ, दो इट वाज पार्ट ऑफ वन ऑफ द ग्रुप्स, बट स्टिल इतना वो नहीं था, ठीक है. तो जो है, हाँ, व्हाट आई वाज टेलिंग, राइट. तो नाउ लुकिंग एट द ज्योग्राफिकल लोकेशंस, दीज बिग पावर्स व्हिच वर देयर, दे स्टार्टेड looking for capturing these small countries so that they can become strong when they go for expansion of the territories. अब इन छोटे states को control करने के चक्कर में what happened, the big powers which were there, they started fighting among themselves. अब जब ये आपस में लड़ने लगे, तो उसका प्रॉब्लम क्या हुआ, सबसे बड़ा उसका जो इल इफेक्ट था वो क्या हुआ, it came in the form of First World War. So ultimately these Balkan states which were there, plus plus these powers which were there, Germany, Austria, right, Russia, Britain, all these countries, they started fighting among themselves. Because see, say suppose for example, if Russia had captured 3 places where Germany also wanted to have those countries, so they started fighting among themselves. Ultimately, it led to big war, and that war is called as the First World War. I hope the reason for First World War is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how this, why Russia was part of this First World War? What were the reasons? Though Russia was under a king, right? Tsar Nicholas II, Nicholas II, he was the one who was the king of Russia at that time. And politically, if you talk about Russia, within Russia, there were several problems that were, cropping one after another. But then people like the king hardly, took interest in all those problems. And ultimately, he
Ma'am,
had,
like Louis 16.
like Louis 16. Louis 16 का तो अलग केस था बेटा. But Tsar Nicholas, हाँ आप ये कह सकते हो कि they were not very concerned, but ऐसा कोई taxes वगैरह बढ़ाने का ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. People were annoyed with Nicholas, second, because he took initiative to take part in the First World War without discussing with his people. It was very difficult for the
Okay.
people, because आप देखो wars जो होती है उनमें हमेशा बहुत ही large scale पे जो है नुकसान होता है ना, चाहे वो कोई भी कंट्री हो.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
जब वॉर हुआ, और
Yes,
जानते हैं जब रशियन रेवोल्यूशन हुआ, तो ऐसा कहा जाता है कि जो रशिया की जो आर्मी थी, जो जार के पास जो आर्मी थी, दैट वाज कंसिडर्ड टू बी दी वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट इन दी वर्ल्ड. उसको एक क्या नाम से, स्टीम रोलर के नाम से बुलाया जाता था रशियन आर्मी को. इतने ज्यादा लोग थे उसकी आर्मी में. ठीक है. अब प्रॉब्लम क्या हुई, वर्ल्ड वॉर में
Yes,
पार्टिसिपेट कर लिया, तो उसका जो इल इफेक्ट हुआ वो आपका जो है विद इन द कंट्री हुआ, कि जितने भी भाई फार्मर्स वगैरह थे, एवरीथिंग स्टॉप. और जो लोगों की जो स्टैंडिंग क्रॉप्स थी, जो फार्मर्स थे, उस क्रॉप का इतना ज्यादा वो रॉट हो गई, क्योंकि द सोल्जर्स वर मूविंग ओवर दोज लैंड एरियाज, दोज कल्टिवेटेड एरियाज. तो वो सारी की सारी जो क्रॉप थी वो सारी की सारी डिस्ट्रॉय हो गई, स्पॉइल हो गई. तो इसकी वजह से भी पीपल वर नॉट वेरी हैप्पी विद द किंग. तो उन्हें लगा कि भाई जो किंग है, व्हेन ही इज नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट अस, व्हाई शुड वी फाइट फॉर हिम. तो अल्टीमेटली क्या हुआ, जो लेनिन था, लेनिन वाज वन इन्फ्लुएंशियल पर्सन जिसने कि रशियन रेवोल्यूशन का जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट थे. ठीक है. वो कार्ल मार्क्स से बहुत ज्यादा जो है अग्री करते थे, और कार्ल मार्क्स की जो भी थ्योरीज थी वो उसको कम्प्लीटली फॉलो करते थे. तो लेनिन को ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ निकोलस सेकेंड, व्हेन ही वाज द किंग, उस टाइम पे इनको जो है वो कर दिया था, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, हिंदी में जो एक वर्ड होता है ना, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दैट वर्ड.
मैम हटा दिया था.
नहीं, हटाया नहीं था. जैसे ना वो कहते हैं ना कि देश निकाला दे देते हैं, कि भाई उसे कहा गया कि भाई आप जो है एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम पीरियड तक कंट्री में वापस नहीं आओगे. ठीक है. और बहुत सारे ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स हुए जिसमें कि उसको कंट्री से दूर रखा गया. लेनिन जो थे उनको कंट्री से कंप्लीटली अलग रखा गया.
He was deported.
हाँ, डिपोर्टेड, एग्जैक्टली, ही वाज डिपोर्टेड, राइट. जिसको हम तड़ी पार कह देते हैं, या मतलब देश के बाहर निकाल देते हैं, या एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम पीरियड के लिए उसको परमिशन नहीं होती आने की. ही वाज डिपोर्टेड, राइट. थैंक यू करण. फाइन. सो because of this also, because of the First World War also, people in Russia, they went completely against the king, and ultimately the king had to face his fate. लोग जब उसके अगेंस्ट हो गए, लेनिन आ गए, बहुत ज्यादा उन्होंने इन्फ्लुएंस करा, सोशलिस्ट गवर्नमेंट बन गई, सोशलिस्ट आइडियोलॉजी इतना ज्यादा स्प्रेड होने लगी, सोशलिस्ट आइडियाज को लोगों तक पहुंचाया गया, एंड एवरीथिंग वाज नेशनलाइज्ड. मतलब रशिया में सब कुछ नेशनलाइज कर दिया गया, जिससे कि मोर एंड मोर पीपल टेक बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ इट. और ये सारी चीजें वी आर गोइंग टू रीड इन दिस चैप्टर, right? Chapter is very, very interesting, and it is just like a short story that we read. Fine.
Ma'am, history is only like a
History is like a story only. We always like, today's day will become a history tomorrow. So that way, whatever we read
Yes,
in
ma'am.
whatever we have today, it is going to be a past tomorrow, right?
ma'am, a line from 6th class.
Yes. What line? Which line? This is the same line?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have studied in the 6th class, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I always tell my children that, see, if you want to be past or part of history, always remember the day's event, whatever has taken place. You will never lag behind in your current affairs, anything. Because what you are observing, looking today, that will be a part of history tomorrow. And it is not very
Yes, ma'am.
difficult. It is not very difficult to remember history if you are learning day by day everything, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Like when we were when we were students like you, whatever was taking place at that time, like I still remember about that Gulf War. Now when we read about Gulf War, I don't have to read any book, because we know, we have witnessed during that time, we have read in the newspapers what was taking place, how the countries were affected, which all countries were part of that. So
Ma'am, in future, when we will read about Corona, ma'am, we don't have to read from the books, ma'am. Ma'am, we
Exactly.
already know
You people have
what will happen.
experience. You people have experience. You can, write books. You can write stories related to that. Your everyday practices
Yes,
that you followed during this pandemic, you can easily tell it to people, and you don't have to consult any book, any encyclopedia for anything.
yes, ma'am.
Right? Right, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
we'll not start the reading right now, because we have just 8 minutes in our hand. What we are going to do is, I will tell you that in the first 2-3 pages, what exactly we are going to read. See, the Russian Revolution will start little late, but initially when we start with the chapter, it tells you about the French society that was prevalent. Like if you remember, in France before the revolution, I will not tell you, I will ask from you. Can anybody in the class tell me that what was the society setup in France or in the whole of Europe before the French Revolution?
ma'am, may I?
Yes, Vyom?
Ma'am, first state, ma'am, clergy, ma'am, second state, state nobility and
Okay.
church father, and ma'am, third, ma'am, peasants or landless merchants and farmers, and some big businessmen.
See, Vyom, your answer should be that the French society was divided into estates, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, that is more
Yes,
than
ma'am.
sufficient. And then when I tell you to explain what was this estates, then you were supposed to explain it in just one word. If you have to give this answer, that how the societies were divided, what was the society set up in Europe before the French Revolution, then you have to tell that it was divided into estates, 3 estates.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Right, if it comes for 3 marks, you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to explain all the parts that are there in that setup, right?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so when we talk of the French Revolution, before French Revolution, we all know that estates were there, and the autocracy which was there, the monarch which was there, monarch along with the church, they had complete control of the economy in their hands, right? They were very powerful people. I think you remember this, we have read earlier also.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Then
Yes, ma'am.
now, after the French Revolution, how everything, changed. Everything changed. Whatever powers were there to the people, the privileged class, everything changed. And after the French Revolution, new ideas and the societal changes, these were the 2 prominent things that happened, right? New ideas came up, and the societal changes. The society completely changed. There was no privilege part was there. Then king was not there. Then the governance that was there, it was not confined just few hands. There were there was a proper procedure how the government was to be chosen, how the people were supposed to work for the nation, and how the welfare of the citizens was given the top priority, right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, when all these things were taking place simultaneously in Europe only, different thought of schools were also coming up. Different thought of schools means there were people who called themselves as liberals. There were people who called themselves as, radicals, and there were people who were considered to be conservatives. Now, these 3 groups which were there, They had different mindset. Like I told you about the new ideas, no?
Can you please tell
These-
ma'am what these three groups were?
I'm telling you, beta, I'm telling you. Now, these people, they had a different idea of a society, right? Like if I take example of Anshika, Anokhi, and say Shashank. Shashank Navodit, are you there, beta? Shashank, are you there? Is he on silence mode? Bhavya, are you there? Bhavya Kandelwar? Shivendra?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Anji. Beta? Fine, you are there. So see, maybe Anshika has a different, perspectives, or she has a different thought that how a society should look like. Okay, Bhavya is not allowed to unmute. Why, Bhavya? Write it down in the chat. Okay, Anokhi has a different way of, what do you call, imagining a society, right? And Shivendra has a different way of doing that, right? So now imagine that these three people, they are the different thought of schools that came up in Europe after the French Revolution, the liberals, the radicals, and the conservatives. Now these conservatives, those who were there, these were those people. But I have not muted you people. Bhavya?
Ma'am, when I
Ma'am,
joined the
you are-
meeting initially, I also faced this. It was saying that the host is not allowed to allowing you to unmute. Then I left the meeting and joined again. Now it's working.
Okay. But I have not enabled all these modes, right? Okay. So these liberals, those who were there, the radicals, those who were there, the conservatives, those who were there, they had a different, ideas in their minds of a society. So what liberals, they felt that, that the society should change completely, whatever procedures, whatever the system was followed in the past, that should be completely changed. They wanted a nation where, all the religions were respected. People were tolerant of all the religions. They were completely against the dynastic rule. Then they wanted a parliamentary form of government. They also wanted that the judiciary should not be influenced by anybody. Judiciary should be kept completely independent. And these people, the biggest drawback of liberals was that they did not believe in the voting rights, just like the French society. Many, even after France became liberal, many became republic, many of the people, they didn't have the right to vote, especially when we talk of the women, right? So these people, liberals, when I talk about liberals, these people, they did not believe in the universal adult franchise, and they felt that only rich should vote and women should not be given any voting rights. Fine. So this was the ideology of the liberals. Whereas the radicals, those who were there, they had a different mindset. They believed in the universal adult franchise, and they wanted that women should also have the right to vote. And they were completely against the radicals, those who were there, they were completely against the privileges that were given by birth. They felt that whatever the person earns should earn on the basis of merit. Right? I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
They were not against the
Yes,
private
ma'am.
ownership. They were not against the private ownership as it was there when the industrial revolution happened. But they believed that, some access to the resources, to the profit should be given to the people also. Like everything should not be confined in the hands of the owners only. And they wanted that the government that should come, that should be on the basis of the majority, that should be given, and like the majority of the population should agree for that government, right? We have no
Yes,
time
ma'am.
for the we have no time to discuss about the
Yes, ma'am.
conservatives. So tomorrow in the class we will discuss about it, right? I hope whatever we have done today is all clear and understood to all of you.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. And
Yes,
please,
ma'am.
class, if you are there in the Zoom meeting, you are supposed to interact